Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll be explaining you how a CPU works. So there are basically main four components. One is a program counter, which counts the number of instructions which are being implemented, and the instruction decoder is decodes the instruction, basically implements whatever instruction is given. An ALU performs arithmetic functions and instructions related to that, and the registers are basically a temporary memory which stores values to the variables and addresses. So now let's see how a simple computer works. So here we have a CPU which has all these four components and an address bus, a data bus, and a control bus. The control bus has read and write operations. So and here we can see a scroll uh, where five instructions are given. So uh, first of all, we see that a program counter is on 0, and here we can see so the address bus is 0. Then the first instruction is a read instruction, so we can see the control bus having the arrow downwards, means the read instruction will be performed, and the read instruction is that from the address 17 we have to take the value and store it into the register A. So for that our instruction is 31H, we can see. So the 31H, here we can see will is the instruction decoder 31, which is the first instruction, and we can see that at output 17 we are giving a value, inputting a value of 9, which means the 9 has to be stored in the register A. So we can see that 9 is being stored at the register A. Now the second instruction is to store the value in register A into the register B. So and program counter will be incremented, and the second instruction, which is C4H hexa, so it will be implemented in the instruction decoder, and we can see that at the register B the value at the register A is also is copied. And now moving towards the next instruction, which is the so the program counter is again incremented, and the third instruction, which is uh, saving the value 6 at the address 6 in the register A. So we are here we can see we are giving a value of 5 to the at the sixth address, which is being saved at the register A. Now again a program count will be incremented, and the next instruction will be implemented, which is uh, saving the register A, which is adding the value at register A and register B, and saving it in the register A. So this arithmetic operation will be performed in the ALU. So we have the values in register A 5 and in register B 9. So these both will be added here, and we can see here. So 5 plus 9 we get 14, and which is E in hexa. So we can see in register A we have the value E, which is 14. Now again a program counter is increased to 5, and it's the next instruction is being implemented, and which is that a write operation will be performed, and the value at the register A, which is the sum of 5 and 9, 14, will be written at the seventh address. So you can see the arrow upward, which is write operation, and this E will be written at the memory location of 7. So this is how a computer works. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.